Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make one ingredient no glue slime, one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, and I'm sure you guys will love it too. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. If you guys don't know what no glue slime is, it's basically slime made out of any type of household ingredient. Most of the time it's like soap or even toilet paper or paper towels. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a one ingredient version of no glue slime. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of soap. I prefer shampoo or body wash for this recipe, but you can even use hand soap. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least, but is optional, is food coloring, which I'm going to add in during the recipe. So this recipe is super easy to make. All you want to do is add in your soap into your bowler plate, just like that. I want to mix it till it gets super bubbly, so I'm going to do this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Just enough for mixing, and as you can see when you touch it, it's like a slime texture, but it's still sticky, so I do not want that. So what I do is basically the activator part of this recipe. Some of you guys may not know, but when you put this into the refrigerator or freezer for a short amount of time, it actually turns it into a thicker like soap texture, and that is what makes no glue slime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to mix it up, make sure it's working, mix it more as it goes, and then your no glue slime will be there. So again, put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours and then go look at it when it's done. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this no glue slime recipe is all done. Alright guys, 2 to 3 hours later, here is the slime. Like I said in the beginning, I did add food coloring into it while it was in the fridge actually, because I forgot all about it. But here it is, super stretchy. As you can see, it had almost like the texture before, but now it's like holdable, which is super awesome for no glue slime because you don't want it super sticky. Sometimes it's how a recipe is to make jiggly slime, but this one today is a one ingredient slime and it's so easy to make. Again, it's one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, and I know you guys have been loving my recent no glue slime recipes over on YouTube and all my other social media platforms, so I thought I'd bring back a fan favorite today and show you guys a little bit more of an in-depth tutorial on it and explain how you make no glue slime. But this was the recipe today. I really hope you guys liked the video. Again, it's a super short video today, but I just wanted to show you guys the easy recipe. And if this no glue slime recipe worked for you or you have any questions, remember to comment in the comments down below about this. And if my comments are off, which it's not due to me, it's due to YouTube with their guidelines, you can go comment it over on my community page, which is where I get my hashtag notification squads from, and I answer back to you guys. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias, my TikTok, my Instagram, everything will be linked down below. I love you guys so much. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Collector in the comments down below. Give us some good ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, in peace, and remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!